Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Brains. We are back with another installation video. And yeah, this video is not just a video, it's a part of a playlist. Android Studio playlist. As in, we'll be playing around with Android a lot in future. So without any further ado, let's get on with the installation. Yeah, one thing you need to remember is in order for Android Studio to be working in our systems, we need to have Java installed in our systems. So for that, you can refer my previous videos. I'll put the link in the description. So just pause this video for a while and install Java and set it up as an environmental variable, and then we'll get on with the Android Studio. Okay, so guys, I hope you are done with Java installation and setting up it as environmental variable. Now let's get on with installing Android Studio. So use any browser. I'll be going with Google Chrome. After opening the Chrome or any browser or whatever browser you're using, in the search bar just type in Android Studio. The first site, as in this one, developer.android.com, will take you to the download page of Android Studio. That's for Windows. In the home screen itself, you have this option to download Android Studio, which is 896 MB. So for Windows, you can just click on it and the download should begin. For other platforms, as in Mac or Linux, you can just click over here as in download options. And here are the basic platforms you can install that Android Studio for. For Mac, it's right over here, 64-bit, Linux, and Chrome OS as well. So depending on the platform you are installing it for, just going with the download. Once you click on download, probably the path which you have set for downloading anything will just go over there. You can continue with this step and download should begin. Since I have already downloaded the setup, I will not be doing it again. So I'll just cancel it from here and we'll get on with installation. Here's my setup. All I need to do is double click on it or just click on it and press enter. And the installer opens up. Click on next, go on next again, and choosing the path where you want to install Android Studio. By default it will be in C program files, but I don't want it to be installed over there, so I'll just change the path. Okay, apparently it's not making a separate folder for Android Studio, so I'll make a folder as well in my directory and I'll install it over there. Okay, so I've created the folder and I'll just click on OK and go on to next. And finally click on install. It'll take some time for installing, and after that we can just open our Android Studio. Okay, so the installation is done. Just click on next and finish, and your Android Studio should just pop up. Okay, so after installation and after clicking on finish, this is the pop-up which comes up, which basically says that if you would have previously installed Android Studio, you would have some settings already existing in your system. So if you want those settings to be imported, you can just click on configure or installation folder, and you can just give the path where it is. But since it's my first time, I'll be click, and probably it's the first time for you as well. So you can just click on do not import settings and click on OK. Okay, so once when your Android Studio is loading, probably at the last moment, you will get this pop-up which basically says data sharing. So as in whatever you are using or whatever thing you are doing in your Android Studio, the statistical usage will be sent to Google, which apparently I don't want to do. So I'll be clicking on don't send. Okay, after that's done, this is the interface which you'll get. All you need to do is click on next. Depending on the option which you want to go for, you can just go on custom and do the installation yourself. I'll just click on standard. I don't want big hassles to be done right now. So click on next. I'll choose the theme as Dracula. Click on next, and these are the dependencies which will get installed. So I'll just click on finish. Okay, so after waiting for some time and having patience for like really a lot of time, it's finally done, and we'll click on finish. Okay, so that was how you install Android Studio on Windows. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, please click on like button and push the subscribe button for exciting tech and design content. And also, we'll be tweaking around with Android Studio in the coming videos. So for that, stay tuned, and till then, happy learning.